It'd be hard not to miss those horns. It's Bulldozer. Get ready for jump number 1. On the map with a first spectacle point. Carnage on the way to the board. A 3 spectacle star. Looking for a solid second jump. The first spectacle point is in the books. Indestructible bites the dust. Fiberglass is just flying off. Third jump's a charm. Bags the first spectacle point. Carnage on the way to the board. There goes another part of the body. 3 spectacle points now on the board. You could do better than that. Jump number 4 coming up. The first spectacle point is in the books. There's some bonus points for you. Keeping it going with a second spectacle point. One last chance to grab big points. Bags the first spectacle point. That lightened the load. That's a huge score.